Welcome to Competence FBOS B301. Prepare simple bakery products. In this session, we'll focus on learning outcome 3, bake simple bakery products. Let's explore the key topics we'll cover. Let's outline the topics. 1. Preparation of dough. 2. Baking simple bread. 3. Cooling bread. Now, let's delve into each topic. Preparation of dough. Dough preparation is the cornerstone of crafting flavorful and delightful bread, involving meticulous steps. It commences with ingredient collection and mise en place, ensuring efficient workflow. Ingredients are then combined, mixed, and kneaded to achieve proper hydration and gluten development. Following mixing, the dough undergoes bulk fermentation or rising, allowing yeast activity to impart flavor and promote dough expansion. Shaping the dough into specific forms, such as loaves or buns, requires precision and technique tailored to each bread type. After shaping, the dough undergoes proofing, a final rise period crucial for optimal volume and texture development. Baking completes the process, resulting in golden brown crusts and tender interiors. Each step in dough preparation is essential, with variations in techniques and ingredients yielding diverse bread types and flavors. From artisanal loaves to fluffy rolls, dough preparation forms the foundation of delicious worldwide bread. Baking simple bread. Baking simple bread requires precise adherence to baking procedures, including dry baking or baking by steam, each impacting texture and flavor differently. Baking utilizes only dry heat in the oven, common in baking bread, pastry, and confections, without added moisture. It starts by preheating the oven to the desired temperature. Dough or batter is then placed on trays and baked, allowing moisture to evaporate and forming a crust while maintaining interior moisture. Quality checks during baking focus on shape, color, texture, and flavor. Ensuring the loaf rises evenly and achieves a golden brown crust without overbrowning is essential. Quality checks concentrate on the bread's appearance, color, feel, and taste during baking. Ensuring the loaf rises evenly and gets a nice golden brown crust without burning is crucial. Checking the texture aims for a soft, light crumb, showing the dough fermented adequately. Evaluating the flavor looks for a balanced taste with a hint of sweetness. Cooling bread. After achieving perfection in the oven, proper cooling is vital to maintain bread quality, preventing sogginess and enhancing flavor. Tools like wooden benches and wire racks aid in airflow, facilitating even cooling. Guidelines emphasize allowing sufficient time for bread to reach room temperature while avoiding rapid cooling to prevent condensation. Adequate cooling time ensures uniform moisture distribution for consistent texture. Maintaining an optimal temperature during cooling prolongs freshness and flavor. By adhering to these procedures and using appropriate tools, bakers can consistently produce high-quality bread that satisfies visually and gustatorily. In summary, we've covered dough preparation, baking simple bread, and cooling bread. Now, let's assess your understanding. What are the critical steps involved in preparing dough for baking? Describe 2 methods for baking simple bread. Why is proper cooling important for bread? Reflect on these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. Happy baking!